Hello, Midnight Coders, and welcome. Today we are going to answer a simple question. What do you do when you up? So, imagine you just committed something you shouldn't have. Maybe it was a bug, maybe you deleted half your project, maybe you committed directly to the main branch. Git's got your back like a butt crack. Don't panic. Git is designed for mistakes. So today, I am going to show you three professional tools that developers use all the time: reset, revert, and cherry pick. Every commit is a snapshot of your entire project, not just the files that you've changed. Git computes differences when it needs to, but internally it stores commits as snapshots of the project state. So now reset is like moving the bookmark in a book. The pages still exist. You're just simply telling yourself that you want to pick up here when I start reading again. So now let's imagine that you had two branches, your main branch and a feature branch for new comments. Now, what if you had in your main branch everything that you want, but your new branch was just for comments? If we need to reset our timeline, we can go back and just choose the command, and we will then have some choices that we can then apply either a soft, a mixed, or a hard reset. Now, a soft reset will remove commits, but it will keep staging. You can do that by using git reset soft, head tilde, however many you want to reset. A mixed one will remove the commit and the unstaged files, whereas a hard, that is going to reset everything, and it's going to throw away the working tree as well. Now, this is usually not the way to go, but it's an option. Git resets are usually an undo for making changes and then recommitting what you have changed. So, what about a revert? A revert is, instead of moving the bookmark, imagine you're writing with pencil and then you drew something, but now you need to erase it, and the drawing did exist. You could see the imprint in the paper. The erasing just becomes part of the story itself. Now, Git creates another snapshot saying, yo, undo what just happened here, and let's revert. Now, a revert creates a new commit whose changes are the opposite of another. So what you do here is you say you want to go back to a specific commit and revert the missing commit, and then it will make a new commit that will then retain the history. Now, you want to use reset when code is not pushed. Revert is to change the mistake and retain the history. Now, what about cherry pick? I mentioned that as well. Imagine you have two playlists on Spotify and you want to copy a specific song into the new playlist. That's cherry picking. So another option that we have here is to cherry pick where you want to choose a commit from another branch. So maybe you have two branches. Dev 1 is working on the main branch and Dev 2 is working on a feature branch, but Dev 2 decided to fix an issue with the configuration, or maybe they they changed something to do with the configuration and they fixed a bug. Now the main branch wants that bug, but the other dev is still working on its feature. You would then cherry pick that specific commit and move it into your main branch. And you can get to see this by using git log, the branch name, double dash online, and you can get an idea of what it is that's in here so that you can get the hash ID of the specific commit that you wish to see. Now, remember, if you need to rewrite your own recent history, use a reset. If you need to safely undo something that everybody has, revert. And if you just need one simple thing from some other branch, just cherry pick it. It's very simple. Now, Git is not as scary as it is complicated. Git is scary mainly because it gives you a whole bunch of commands that do the same thing, or at least seem to do the same thing. The trick is to remember or to learn which problem each command was designed to solve. Once you understand that, Git starts making a lot more sense. And if you happen to have any merge conflicts after you've done this, let me know, and we'll make a video for it. So as always, guys, keep your curiosity open, your skills sharp, and that coffee cup full. I'll catch you in the next one.